Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammed Sakib and you people are watching a video from the Career Academy Sheikhupura. We do bother about moving to Lahore and spending a lot of money in Lahore and institutes in Lahore because we are also offering the quality education in Sheikhupura. Right now you can come and join us, and today for your ease and for your comfort I have also tried to give my video lecture to you. In today's lecture, I would like to solve and sort out the major problem that is related to the IELTS second test. Today we will talk about IELTS academic writing, and we will talk about second test that usually is a very hectic problem for the students, and they find it really very difficult to cope up with this test. So I will try to make it very easier for you today. First of all, let us try to define what is actually IELTS academic writing test 2 and how much time is given to the students. First of all, you will have 40 minutes to solve this test. Keep in mind that in the very first test, test 1, that is very easier. In another lecture, I would also give hints and techniques how to cope up with that test. But in today's lecture, we will discuss the second test, that is a lengthy test, and that is also very important and significant in making and raising your bands. So first of all, you will have to keep in mind that you will have 40 minutes for planning and writing this test actually and solving this test on your answer sheets. So basically, first of all, we will discuss that what actually the second test is. There will be 4 type of essays or writing topics that you will have to deal with. First, I have also categorized these 4 type of tests, that basically there will be different type of writing, and usually you will have to deal with 4 basic types of writing in the IELTS 2. First one is problem solution. In the very first type of test, that is called problem solution test, there will be problems like terrorism, violence, water crisis and pollution. So these will be the topics that may a student come across and face, and students mostly feel it very hectic, very panic whenever they confront or whenever they face these type of this type of test, and they are really stuck and they are confused. But today we will try to make them very easier and try to help them out that how can they easily overcome this test. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that which type of question has been asked. Then you have to prepare your mind and prepare your sketch and brainstorm yourself according to that test basically. So first of all, talking about the first type of essay, that was the problem solution, and secondly there can be an essay like cause and effect. What is cause and effect? There will be a problem and its effects on environment and other thing like global warming and its effects on human life. Global warming and its effects of human life. You may say that it is the cause, global warming. We will have discussed major causes of global warming, why it happens, and its effects on our human life. Then secondly, social media and human relations. That how social media has, what type of effects social media has caused on human relations in our everyday life. Thirdly, there can be a general debate. What do you mean by general debate? There can be a discursive or opinion-based topics like co-education and your opinion. So in this type of test, you will have to deal with that what there will be a given topic that actually the a thing or a phenomena that usually present or existent in your society, and he will ask that what is your opinion about it. And talking about the 4 type of test, that is called pros and cons or positive or negative. Basically, I would try to make it simplify for the students that basically these 2 type of tests can be united and they can be accommodated at a single place, because pros and cons and general debate, they are basically similar type of tests, so there is not need to worry about them. Use of internet and its and students, that how internet has affected the students is pros and cons. Pros mean positive effects and cons mean negative effects. So thank you.